Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing anything that can physically interfere. Case, magnetic mounts, and screen protectors, then clean the glass with a lint-free cloth and 70% isopropyl. Once done, force restart the phone. Follow the model-specific button sequence, because a restart clears transient software glitches that mimic touch failure. While the device reboots, enable assistive touch in settings accessibility so you can operate the phone without relying on the touch hardware. This gives you immediate control to continue diagnostics. Now you dig into software causes. First, quit or uninstall any third-party auto touch or automation apps and disable reachability or any accessibility gestures that could conflict. Make sure iOS is up to date because Apple frequently patches touch-related firmware bugs. Go to Settings General Software Update and install the current release. If problems continue, reset all settings to remove corrupted configurations without erasing your data. This step often restores normal input mapping while keeping your apps and media intact. If software fixes didn't resolve the errant auto touches, back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer, then perform a DFU restore to eliminate deep firmware corruption. This is the last software step because it reinstalls firmware and iOS. If ghost touches persist after DFU, contact Apple support or an authorized technician, most likely the digitizer or display assembly needs replacement. One troubleshooting tip. Before opening service requests, test the phone in minimal conditions. Fresh backup restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.